Going on, everybody? Jeremy Belliazere here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing video.
Days, some nights, on the sundown, the songs of a battle cry. Battle cry.
I got a few packages today. I got my camera, and I got my newest book with my nephew as my, little bookmark. So, my new GoPro Hero 8. I ordered mine from QVC, I want to say about 8 days ago, so a little over a week. Here we are. Excited for this. So a little backstory while I open this up. I've been using an iPhone to do the majority of my videos, well, all of my videos actually, for a little over a year now because of soul ties. If you know, you know. But without having to get into all of that, I stopped using the body of my last camera. So if you know anything about cameras, there's a body to a camera, and then of course you have stuff like this right here, which is one of my lenses for my old camera. This is a macro lens that I used on my Canon. I was looking to invest into another camera. However, I felt limited with that last Canon, so it was kind of a blessing in disguise. And while I was doing research for a new camera, I went to Best Buy. If you guys watched my video not too long ago when I bought my new headphones, these right here, which I still love, my Skull Candies. I checked out a few cameras, and the one surprisingly that stuck out to me the most is I was about to leave, me and my brother, and we walked past the GoPro section, and I saw this one. In particular, it was on display. It had its own little TV, and it was kind of showing you the footage and everything. So this one, the Hero Black 8, and the GoPro Max. And I almost got the Max, but I did some more research and I figured out that this one was better for me. So whenever you're getting a camera, don't just get it because you see me getting it or because you saw somebody else get it. You have to make sure that it actually suits what you're looking for and the type of content that you're trying to put out. I'm just excited to get this open and to kind of show you guys what this is about. So we pull this tab here, knock the bottom out that thing. Inside here comes with, this is an adhesive mount with a little bit of a curve to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got a bit of a curve. USB, so we can of course connect to my MacBook. Our battery pack. I did watch a video on how to take this off of this mount, so pay attention. I'm gonna flip this tab up, and when I flip this tab up, I pinch on the inside, and when you pinch on the inside, you're able to now slide and pop that out. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail, that type of thing. So I do all of my research well in advance. So that's how I know how these mounts work, and I knew how to unbox a GoPro, and I've never had one. We have our record feature. This is our camera. It should be noted that I will be investing in a few accessory pieces. To access where we put our battery, you will pull this tab. Once this tab is pulled, we should push. Don't push it too much because this part can detach. You can reattach it, but that's just, if we don't have to, let's not. So as you see, blue side facing the inside. We close, and then we lock it in, thus making it waterproof. And then of course, we can lock these in. So I can set my camera up like this, or I can have it on like a tripod or whatever the case may be. So I have a few things I have to invest in: a tripod, a memory card. But for now, we're going to open up our USB. We'll take this, insert there, and let's get it charged. While our GoPro is charging up, we're going to go ahead and download this GoPro app. So when it's done, I can sync it to my phone. So, App Store. Yes, I still play Pokemon Go.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
I just started actually because of work. I do a lot of walking, so it's like the only game that makes sense when you have to do a lot of walking at work. We'll catch them all. It's been a few days since I unboxed my new GoPro Hero 8 Black. Like I told you guys, I needed a memory card, so I ordered that, and today Amazon delivered it. So I got 128 gig. I wanted to get a 1 terabyte, but they were all sold out. For now, let's get this in the camera, and everything from this moment on shall be filmed on the GoPro 8. Let's see how it looks. That's going to conclude today's video. Thank y'all for watching so much. I appreciate all the support that you guys continue to give me. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. So again, I thank you. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay blessed, be blessed. Belliazere Fitness here, signing out.
100% it's true!